If you're a time crunch cyclist like most amateurs are, it's easy to think, well, if I had more time I could get fitter, and you probably would, and it probably would help. But there's also a lot you can do by just increasing the quality of what you're doing at the moment. Not everything needs to be a smash fest, and in this video we're going to look at tips for improving the quality of what you do rather than extending the volume. The first thing, as always, is consistency. Consistency is the most important thing in any form of physical training. If you're not consistent, you are really throwing away fitness. So it's better to do 3 or 4 quality hours than try to worry about working out more or getting in longer rides. Consistency is key. Number 2 is avoiding junk miles. Junk miles has been bandied about for a long time, and all it means is really just doing rides that have got no real sort of purpose. You're just riding and you might be all over the place. You might be doing zone 2, a bit of zone 3, something else. And if you've only got a short time to train, you do want to avoid doing that sort of thing. You want to make sure every ride has a purpose. And if it is zone 2, make sure you're in zone 2. If it's a interval session, make sure you've got quality intervals and you know what zones you're in. So one thing to make sure you're working well and maximising that time is to make sure you know your zones, whether it's heart rate or power zones. Last thing you want to be doing is wasting time in the wrong zone. If you are doing zone 2, you could make sure that within your hour or 2 of zone 2 you're doing blocks of zone 2, so aiming for 10-15 minutes at your top end of zone 2 and then 10-15 minutes down in the middle somewhere or lower down. So it keeps your mind focused and you really end up doing exactly what you should be. So those sharp-eyed among you today may notice that I've been wearing a different jersey, and it's this one. A ForestVelo jersey. And I was approached by Joyoneer, an American company that makes cycling gear, asking if I wanted to try out a jersey. And so here it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And they generally make more casual cycle clothing rather than race fit clothing. So if you prefer more casual clothing, check it out in the description below. But I certainly like the colours. I do like quite tight clothing, so I size down. But if you are happy with a relaxed fit, normal sizes apply. Another way to maximise time is to do things on the smart trainer. If you find yourself always stopping for traffic lights or having issues with roads or technical issues, or you're finding it hard to hold the power out on the road or the weather's rubbish, doing proper intervals on the trainer really makes a big difference. It's a really good way of maximising your time. Another way to maximise your efficiency is when you're out on a longer ride. If you're doing a zone 2 ride, you can add some intervals at the end of it before you come home. You know, hit a hill a few times and do 3 or 4 hill repeats, so you're really maximising the time you've got. One thing to bear in mind is what's the event you're doing. If you're doing a long event, you probably need to make sure you can fit in a 3 or 4 hour ride, certainly once every couple of weeks. if you're just training for fitness, probably doing 1 or 2 hour rides is fine. And don't forget the benefits you can get off the bike doing resistance training, core training, or any sort of strength work, or even yoga and flexibility. All helps in the long run. So what do you do to help you if you're time crunched? Is there any secrets you can share? Don't forget to drop those down in the comments below. Hope you found the video interesting and useful, and don't forget to check out that jersey if you're interested, and until next time, bye for now.